Hi friends, LinkedIn, social platform for professionals. As it's a professional social platform where professional used to connect with other professionals, professional used to connect with companies, big companies put their vacancies, recruiting, whatever happening in business world is nowadays happening through a social platform called LinkedIn. As it is a professional platform, now you can see when you are our resume, it's a online version of our resume. Basically LinkedIn is a online version of our resume or what we are. So our profile should be look professional when we are having a LinkedIn platform. So basically if you look at the profile pictures, now most of the social media platform is using a circular format of pictures, right? And to cut normally what we do, we just upload our picture in the square or rectangle format. We just drag, crop the edges and somehow try to fit into that, or else we had to use some editing tools like Photoshop. That's also not easy for a normal people to do it. So today I'm going to share you an idea how you can make a profile picture for LinkedIn or any other social media platform in a circular format with free tools. Okay, excited? Okay, fine. And also stay till the end of this video. I'm giving a bonus tip to customize your LinkedIn profile at the end of this video. Okay, so shall we start? Let me dive into my computer. So let's start from here. So first let's take a picture. So I have already selected a picture of mine. Okay, so I'm going to use this picture to make a profile picture for me in LinkedIn. So when you see there is a background over here, white background. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to a website called remove.bg. So this is a website which use artificial intelligence to remove the background in a perfect way. Very simple to use. So I'm just dragging and dropping the picture over here. It is going to upload. Let's wait for the upload to complete. It depends on what is the file size which we are using. So basically if it's a small file, it will happen like a fraction of seconds, and now it's showing me a preview. See, the background is completely removed, and I'm downloading the picture. So let's minimize and see. This picture is already removed the background. Now how to make it a circle format? For that there is another free tool called canva.com. In canva.com you can log in to create a free account using your Gmail ID or Facebook ID. So in Canva what we need to do, we have to go to a create a design, custom dimension. For all social media platform there is a standard pixel size format for the pictures which is being used to have a perfect fit on the defined area. Okay, so for LinkedIn profile picture the standard format size is 400 into 400 pixels. So I'm just giving 400 here, height is also 400, create a design. So this is the photo size of LinkedIn picture size. Now what we need to do is we have to go to, on the left hand side we can see the menu of Canva. You have to go to elements, then you can scroll down. There is an option called frames. Click on frames, scroll down, and there we can see this particular frame. So just drag and drop it over here, adjust the size, Okay, the adjustment is done, and click outside so that frame has been selected. So when you click on frame, you can see colors over here. So if you want to change the border color, you can okay, that we will come to that part later. So let's go with the default one. Now we need to upload the picture which we have already selected. Okay, now upload an image. Now this is the folder which I have downloaded, and upload the image which I have already removed the background. It's waiting to upload. I just scroll it and position the way which we fit. Okay, now I have created a picture in a round format for the social media profile. So if I want to change the border, I can just click here, change the color. If I don't want any color, I can just give white. So it will be just like a round picture. So let me just keep it looking good. And if I want to click in, and if you want to give a background, what we need to do is, okay, just remove that. Click on that next color next to it, click over there. You can see photo color. So if you want to give any background color for this picture, like that is, if you want to look the picture attractive, if you want to do that, you can do. You are always do that. So you can play around with colors over here. If you want to check the color picker, you can just change everything. Here I'm going here with white and another color also. I'm going little lighter shade. Okay, now just download it. So picture is already downloaded to your computer. Now, as I promised you, I will show you a bonus tip how to customize your URL for the LinkedIn profile, which you can easily share with your in your resume if you want to send it to your recruiter, anyone. So before that, if you like this content, just subscribe to my channel. Okay, so let's go over there. Now go to your LinkedIn profile. So on your profile page, there is an option to edit over here. Click on edit. If you come down here, there is a profile URL, phone number, instant message. Go over there. Profile link, you can edit it only once. So once it's approved, then it is not able to change. So hope you have liked this video. So if you want to know more about how to professionally update your LinkedIn profile or any kind of information, which I'm knowing, definitely, I will try to share that information with you. So it's time to say bye.